Alright, this is another easy random tutorials videos. Today I'm going to show you how to open up your Xbox 360 console. Now if you have watched my videos before, I have had to take apart your Xbox 360 controller and your hard drive. So if you need to learn how to open those, you can feel free to go and look at those. Please subscribe to this video. To open it, all you're going to need is a simple safety pin. You're going to want to unlatch it, then kind of make it like a 90-degree angle. Next, before we even use the safety pin, we're going to want to flip our system upside down and push up on the faceplate, removing the faceplate. Opening your Xbox 360 does void your warranty, so if you have your warranty sticker and it hasn't been removed yet, you're going to need to remove that. And once you do this, you will not be able to send this back to the company. Microsoft will not accept it back. Now the next step is there's little clips inside of there, and to do that, get there, you're going to want to extend your safety pin all the way out, push in at an angle, pop it out. Just want to go in and out like that. You're just going to want to do it one, or there's one over here too, so you may have to do it twice. Sometimes you don't need to. And then on the side where these little holes are, you see how there are two filled in? In between those two, that means that there's a clip. So you're going to need to push in on the clip and lift up at the same time. You're going to want to repeat this on the opposite side. Now we have two of the three sets of clips. For the third set, you're going to need to remove a pad, which is located on the bottom side. Just going to stick your safety pin in, kind of pry it out. Don't worry, it should be able to re-stick. I'm not positive. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. And inside that there should be a hole. You're just going to push it like you have the others. It should lift up this left side. And on the other side there's more filled holes. Oh. So while lifting up, you're just going to push those in. And then it should just pop off like so. Now before you even start trying to do this part, you need to remove the bottom part. To remove the bottom, it's gonna be the same concept where the filled holes are. You're gonna want to push in and pull up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that, and we'll skip to the next part. Alright, now that we have the top and the bottom off our Xbox 360, next we're gonna want to go to the back. As you can see, this is an older version, seeing that it does not have the high definition slot. But all the holes should be the same. And by holes I mean little pieces that you need to push onto, like you did to get off on the top piece. So we're going to want to take our safety pin again, and then we're just going to want to start at the bottom. I like to do, and we're just going to want to push in those holes. So I'm going to push in on that one and that one, while pushing with my fingers like that, kind of moving it outwards. And see, it just pops open. You're just going to keep on a little bit of pressure by extending your finger. And do the same with all these holes over here. Alright, now that we've popped all the holes, and you're not going to want to push very hard on this, because if we pull it too hard it will split the front. So we're just going to put like half an inch in between, half an inch gap. Then we're just going to want to flip it over very carefully. This is where you're going to have to remove your Microsoft seal. And to remove the whole case, you just want to take your safety pin, kind of just, since it's pointed, just push it in the side. Just push it in the side and lift up. Like so. Now I'm going to do it down on the table. You're going to want to put it down. That way it's a little bit easier. And once you get it, you can kind of put your fingernail underneath it. Just barely pull it up enough so you can get your next one. Repeat this for all of the latches up front. Alright, now that we have removed our Xbox 360 seal, and you can see it has little holes in it. That's the way Microsoft can tell that you took it off. And to take the actual top off, you're just going to flip it down so that the 4 little legs, the bottom side, it's actually on the top when laying down. And you're just going to want to lift up like so. And it should just come off. Then you're going to want to get a Torx 10-bit. Like mine. I just have a standard. If you just have like a tip, you can put it in a screwdriver with removable tips. And all you're going to do to remove the bottom half of your case is you're going to remove 6 silver screws. Not the gold ones, the silver ones. There's going to be one located here, 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 and here. So basically the middle and both sides with 2. So I'm going to go ahead and unscrew these. And then I'm going to skip ahead until I have them all out.